Dear students, continuing with our lecture series on named reactions, this is our 31st lecture, and today we will discuss about chemistry and applications of Chugave reaction. Chugave reaction or Chugave elimination is basically a pyrolysis reaction where xanthate esters, when they are heated at high temperature of the range of 100 to 250 degrees centigrade, they form alkenes as the product. And this reaction is called as thermal syn elimination because here the beta hydrogen and the xanthate ester, they undergo elimination from the same side of the double bond, same side of the carbon-carbon bond. And here the reaction is a reversible reaction because the byproducts which are formed, they are carbonyl sulfide and methane thiol, which are very stable products, and they cannot further react with the alkene form to give back our ester. So this reaction is very important from pyrolysis point of view, and the mechanism which it follows involves this type of six-member transition state where this hydrogen present at the beta carbon to this ester group. So beta hydrogen is eliminated and taken up by the sulfur to create thiol moiety, and then this bond moves to this place to create a carbon-carbon double bond, and this carbon-oxygen bond breaks. So this involves a six-member transition state, and the mechanism of this type of transition state elimination to form alkenes is called as EI elimination mechanism. The EI elimination mechanism means elimination is taking place internally or intramolecularly. And this mechanism is also called as thermal syn elimination, as I have already told you, or this is also known as pericyclic syn elimination. And this E1 elimination is a special type of elimination where two vicinal substituent on an alkane framework, they will form a cyclic transition state, as we have seen in the previous slide, that a six-member transition state is formed here in case of xanthate esters, and ultimately we will get an alkene as the product through a syn elimination reaction. And this type of syn elimination is activated under drastic thermal conditions, and this can be equated with pyrolysis uh, reactions. Then some of the applications of this reaction is, for example, when these types of optically active xanthate esters, they are reacted at 280 degrees centigrade in presence of diphenyl ether, then these will undergo Chugave reaction by elimination of beta hydrogen from this xanthate ester in a six-membered cyclic transition state, and which will ultimately form a carbon-carbon bond at this place, and we will get alkenes as the product. So an intramolecular Chugave reaction takes place to give us alkenes as the product, and this reaction is very important for the synthesis of these types of tri-substituted pyrrolidine derivatives with complete stereoselective. So the reaction is an enantioselective reaction where this enantiomer is formed as the product through further reactions. Then other important examples is the synthesis of these types of tetrahydrofluorine derivatives from Chugave reaction. And these tetrahydrofluorine derivatives, they are intermediates for the synthesis of antibiotics. So for example, if we are having this type of xanthate ester, and this carbon is alpha carbon, this carbon is a beta carbon, and both hydrogen and the ester, they are in syn position, so that is why this elimination can easily take place. Removal of this beta hydrogen and ester body from here will create a carbon carbon double bond over here, and we will get tetrahydrofluorine derivatives as the product. And further reactions of these tetrahydrofluorine derivatives, they can lead to the formation of kinsamycin antibiotics, which is a very important reaction, Chugev reaction. Then similarly, we can synthesize racemic epibetadine, which is an alkaloid, from these types of alcohols. When these alcohols, they are reacted with sodium hydride in carbon disulfide, followed by reaction with methyl iodide, these alcohols, they will be converted into xanthate esters. And you can see this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. So this beta hydrogen, it has it is in the same plane as that of the ester group. So that is why a six-membered cyclic transition state is formed very easily, and under reflux condition in presence of toluene, this ester group is removed with the formation of a carbon double bond. So alkenes are formed as the product. So further reaction of this alkene, reductive elimination of this group, uh, this group is replaced by hydrogen, and reduction at this carbon carbon double bond take place, and we can synthesize these types of apopeptidine alkaloids as the product. Then few more important examples. For example, these types of polyhydroxy systems, when they are reacted with sodium hydride in carbon disulfide and methyl iodide, the corresponding xanthate esters of these alcohols, they can be formed. So then these xanthate esters, you can see in each case. For example, if this is the xanthate ester, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. So the hydrogen present at this carbon is a beta hydrogen. So beta hydrogen from here and ester group from here is removed, and we will get a carbon carbon double bond at this place. This is the carbon. Similarly, in the second case, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, this hydrogen is a beta hydrogen. So elimination of beta hydrogen from here and ester group from here will lead to the formation of a carbon carbon double bond at this place. So this is the second carbon carbon. Similarly, this is alpha carbon, and this is beta carbon having beta hydrogen. So a six-membered cyclic transition state will be formed very easily between these two, and a carbon-carbon double bond will be generated in this place. So this is the third carbon-carbon double bond, which can be formed at high temperature. So this is how these types of polyxanthate esters, they can be converted into these types of trienes as the product. So this also is a very important reaction in Chugev synthesis. Then these types of alcohols, which are optically active due to the presence of so many stereocenters in the substrate molecule, when they are reacted with sodium hydride in carbon disulfide, followed by reaction with methyl iodide, then the corresponding xanthate esters, they can be formed very easily. And then this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. So this beta hydrogen is in the same plane as that of this ester, and this will undergo syn elimination through the six-member transition state under these conditions in presence of dodecane as the solvent at 216 degrees centigrade. When this xanthate ester is refluxed for 2 days, we can get these types of alkenes as product in 70% G. So these are the references which have been consulted for preparing this lecture. Thank you very much.